Me he mea he mahi pai mo te tangata, mahia. Work hard for the people. These are the words of King Koroki, the 5th Māori king. This year we commemorate 20 years since the Raupatu settlement. We acknowledge Sir Robert Mahuta and those of his time, those who have worked tirelessly for the iwi, those no longer with us, as we see the fruits of their labour, their sweat, their tears, their hard work. In 2015, we are bringing to life the words of King Koroki, supporting our tribal members to be successful, to raise healthy, happy whānau, to achieve prosperity.
Kia ora, my name is Lillian Whitiora and I'm teaching my whānau how to save because they spend too much.
Beautiful people.
Kia ora, I'm Manihira Forbes. We're working hard to make home ownership a reality for our people.
Ko te Uru Jones tōku ingoa. Kua mahi a te mahi, kua hokona te whare, hei te hari kua aku tamariki. Hari koa?
Kia ora, I'm Rowan Mahara and I'm working to ensure that all Waikato-Tainui tribal members are lifelong learners and leaders that determine their futures.
My name is May Cooper. I'm working hard to do my PhD and I hope it will benefit my people.
Kia ora, I'm Johnine Davis and I'm working hard to get a message about the health and well-being of our tupuna awa to children all around the world with a little help from Nanny Wai.
Kei te mahi tahi au e ngā kaitiaki o ngā marae maha o Waikato-Tainui.
Kia ora, I'm Stevie Ransfield and I'm working hard to gain commercial profits for current and future Waikato-Tainui beneficiaries.
Kia ora, I'm Tim Manukau. I'm working hard to work with our people to look after our river, so our river can look after us.
Achieving the Raupatu settlement took determination, commitment and hard work. Today, we continue to be encouraged and inspired by the words of King Koroki. Today, we are bringing forth that legacy. Me he mea he mahi pai mo te tangata, mahi.